Fort Bend TX Real Estate. We're out here in Arabella on the Prairie in Richmond, Texas, right off of Highway 59 and Highway 36. Let's get into this neighborhood. So what all does this 130-acre community by Pulte development have, Amber? What does it offer?
Beazer, Coventry, Pulte, of course. And those are three builders that we're very familiar with, and they build an exceptional product, really very energy efficient homes and great design and floor plans, in my opinion.
Yeah, you were speaking to energy efficiency on Beazer and the floor plans and the design on Coventry. I already know you. And Pulte, obviously, they're going to have some great lots. They're going to have a great position here because it's their development.
Right.
They developed Arabella on the Prairie. So, you know, some 45-foot homes and some 50-foot homes. That is so close. They're going to be very similar, even to our trained eye. It's going to be a little bit difficult to tell between a 45 and a 50, but so very similar, but they do have two different lineups, and that's the 45 and the 50. And again, everybody on HLG, Houston Local Guide, that have been following, that refers to the width of the lot from on your average interior lot, not a cul-de-sac, not a corner lot, not a deep lot, not any other special lot, just your normal lot in the middle with the home on both sides. You typically, your middle interior lot, that's the width of the property line up front, about 45 feet from line to line, or 50 feet in this case, you know, from line to line. So that's what we mean when we say 45 or 50, which is the way kind of we reference different product lines or sections, or, you know, different
Right.
plans that the builder offers. We call it by the foot product.
The size of the home and how it's positioned. So a lot of times when you see the more narrow lot size, the home is more rectangular, so a little bit longer and skinnier to accommodate fitting more house on a more narrow lot.
Now that you said that, that's funny, because I was like, it's really hard to distinguish between 45 and 50. There's a place, we saw 42 foot, and we've also seen 35 foot. I think in Indigo in Richmond, near Pecan Grove.
Yep.
And there's some other communities where we're seeing these shotgun style, very front to back homes, and they go up. There's not much width.
Right.
So, you know, definitely, and like when we walk those 42s and 35, there is a marked kind of difference between a 45 and then you get dropped to 42. So you can kind of feel it. But anyway, 45s and 50s out here in Arabella on the Prairie. And let's go into the pricing, Amber. So kind of what I'm seeing, it feels like, you know, 320s, 330s is kind of like the entry point for these homes. Beazer, around 330s to low 500s is kind of the range that the Beazer has. And the sizes that they're working with here are about 1,400 square feet to roughly 3,200 square feet for Beazer. Amber, tackle Coventry.
Yeah, so Coventry starting around the $320,000 mark, and again, we're shooting in 2026, so obviously pricing is subject to change. Their square footage is around 1,600 to right over 2,500 square feet, and obviously the bigger you go, the more it's going to cost, obviously. So you could easily be up in the $400,000 range, and then Pulte's coming in the low 300s and all the way up to the low 400s, so about a $100,000 spread, and suspect that you'll see 1,500 to about 2,800 plus square foot floor plans. So again, nice wide range of offerings here.
Yep, absolutely. So some other notable features and kind of cool things and amenities in the neighborhood. There is a luxury community pool. And what community pool would be a pool without
A pool house?
Yeah. And then also, this sounds like something I might be interested in.
Yeah, I think
A
so.
beer garden, playgrounds, something Amber's always interested in. Fire pit, dog park, fitness center. Nearby, some other cool things and activities and points of interest around here. Brazos Town Center Shopping District. That's just huge, you know. Fort Bend Epicenter and the Fort Bend County Fairgrounds, and then also Seaburn Creek Nature Park, and also the athletic complex that I don't stop talking about because all I see is kids, all my friends on Facebook and their kids, like all their baseball pitchers and
I
soccer.
know, don't you wish you were growing up now, Brett?
I still am.
Good point. Okay.
Touche.
Yeah, exactly. So it looks like every one of the kids that lives out here is going to be going to a Lamar Consolidated Independent School District, school. So out here, this is zoned to Gray Elementary, Wright Junior High, and Randle High School.
I think it's Randle.
Oh, really?
No, I'm joking. It's Randle.
I was like, I'm just reading your notes, and it's DLE. So
Amber's been gone too far. The prodigal daughter returns.
Yeah, right.
She does, so I can get her with these kind of jokes.
I only know like two high schools. I only knew of two high schools in all of Fort Bend County when we grew up here. So
You've never heard of Clements and Kempner?
Is that LCISD?
That's Fort Bend County, though.
Oh, that's true. Okay, I should have further clarified.
Dulles?
Yeah. Yes, I definitely.
Elkins?
Hastings?
That's Houston. Okay, we just detoured. Let's get back on the ramp. Okay, away. And this is honestly, we just did another neighborhood in the area that didn't have as many amenities.
They didn't have a pool or a fitness center, and it was more.
Unless you were swimming in the pond.
Okay, true, but let's not do that. But
yeah, it's catch and release, so hopefully you don't get lined up. But yeah, $925.
That's unbelievable.
And that's what I'm pulling in 2025. So it could be a little bit more, but probably not over $1,000. So $925 roughly, maybe a few bucks more. But yeah, $925, and you get, again, fitness center, dog park. You get a fire pit, Amber.
The beer garden, I think is what you're more excited about.
If there's beer on tap, I don't think that's possible. You just put a quarter in or like $1 and just pour it out.
I don't think so. House in the market today.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, moving there. Playgrounds, pool house, luxury community pool. Yeah, that's a lot of bang for buck. And then also, what you love doing, Amber, is giving the government more taxes. So go over the tax rate.
No, I like saving money, and I like our viewers to save money. So what I like that I'm already seeing is that the tax rate here starts with a 2. To be exact, it's 2.79% in 2025 before any exemptions are applied. So it's safe to say you'll be in the mid-2 range easily. That's very reasonable for a new construction development.
Yeah, I think so. That's usually it's 3 and up for new construction. Yeah.
So really good.
Okay, everybody. So that's been Arabella on the Prairie here in Richmond, Texas.
Amber, are you trying to wrap that? What are you doing over here, Bret?
Hey, you never know. You never know.
This whole real estate thing doesn't work out. Bret's going to become the next hip hop artist here of South Side of Houston, okay? I really like this community. It's very relaxing. I'm glad we found the location of the fire pit. If only we knew how to turn it on, but that's okay.
I did my best. I did my best. Didn't work out for us. But hey guys, anyways, we always appreciate the support. Thanks for watching the video and the channel. Like, subscribe. Again, call Amber anytime you want. Email. Anyway, reach out to us. You want to tour anything, anywhere, 24/7. If they're open, we'll take you.
Okay, but first I'm going to take a quick nap here, okay?
Go ahead.